Hey, it probably won't be you, but someone you work with will actually have a document and they'll press enter, enter, enter to push data onto the next page. Now I'm just going to switch on the show hide. It's showing all this data here. So if you start to type in here and you keep entering data, it's pushing the data down here. What you actually want to do instead is this. So I'm just going to click undo to get me back to where we were, which is having that paragraph there. The fastest way to create a page break, there's two ways. You can go to layout, breaks, and choose page break, but the far easier way to do it is click where you want to insert the page break and just do Control Enter, and that creates a hard page break. And you'll see on screen, because I've got the show hide switched on, it's showing me where the page break is. So if I want to put something on this page, I need to type to the left of that marker, and if I want to put it on the next page, I need to be on the other side. So I'll put this here, puts it on that side, and if I click here, puts it on the other side. So that's page breaks in Microsoft Word.